Hello all, welcome back. It's been a crazy couple of weeks, but it's good to see that we're getting back into the learning game. We're jumping back in with a curriculum. As always, I've started today with a nice science fact, since we're getting ready to finish up genetics and jump into evolution soon. I would like to hear from you guys what you did during these past 2 weeks to pass the time, and did you learn anything science related? This next few weeks, you're going to need to check your Moodle very frequently. And I have some ground rules set down in place for the class as follows. So, the expectations for all the online courses is that you as the student need to at least be checking in once a week to see what's going on. You need to try and set aside about 2.5 hours per course a week. That should cover all of your classes. I.e., if you have 7 classes, that's about 17.5 hours altogether. We're going to be taking attendance. Since I'm using Moodle, I can see how long you are on Moodle, when, and what you are up to on the site. And I will try to give you a head-to-head update every single week on what's coming up. Is it going to be one long assignment, or is it going to be chunked up in mini lessons? I am going to have office hours where I'm going to be online and available for questions through email. If you do not remember my email, it's on the Moodle, it's on your syllabus. I'll make sure it's in clear view. But my main office hours are going to be Tuesday and Friday from 12:30 to 1:30 p.m. to answer emails. If you need to chat because of confusion, this is the time to do it as well. However, if you need to do this on another day, Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday around 12:30 to 1:30, I'm going to try and check my email around that time too. So I will be there and I will be available for you all if you need my help. And please, please, please ask me about extra credit opportunities. As you saw, I posted a lovely, really long documentary, which I'm going to give shout outs right now. Maddie, DJ, good job on that. You guys have already done that. I'm super proud of you for that. It's open for the rest of you to do. It is very interesting, at least in my opinion, and I think you would enjoy it, and it's an easy extra credit. So moving on, for the rest of this week, the main goals are as follows. Number 1, completing this Edpuzzle to state that you have checked in. That'll be your attendance. And submit your biotech project. This is going to be due by the end of the day tomorrow. It was assigned before break. It was going to be due the next class day, and then we were out. So you need to make sure that is turned in by the end, by midnight on Friday, which is the 3rd. So you need to make sure you get that in. It will be for a pass-fail grade. The web quest, I'm not going to worry about it. I know some of you put a lot of time and effort into that. I apologize, but there is no way for me to easily accept it or have it submitted to me. So I am going to just simply put that to the side. And for those of you who have submitted it, or if you want to submit it for extra credit, you can. We're going to start next week another project because I have a little extra time. I have a few extra days ahead of some of my other teachers, and I want you guys to learn a little bit more about genetic disorders. So before we jump into evolution, I'm going to assign another project on genetic disorders on Monday. The details will follow as such. I'll have some sign-ups and some explanations. All my lecture formats will be in the form of Edpuzzles to make sure you're going through the material. I'll post notes, and then I'll have access to PowerPoints and whatnot afterwards. But we'll work from it week to week. And since we're working week to week, welcome back, guys. I hope you're all staying healthy, happy, and keeping up with everything you need to keep up with. And welcome back. So I'll check in with you guys next week. This is Mrs. Bryant, signing off.